Today is Tuesday, October 2nd. We're looking at the Kingston Cnc Lathe. The machine is in plant, under power. We're going to do a short video to show the machine working. This is the hydraulic unit for the machine that comes with it. This chuck on the outside, on the end of the machine for holding extra long parts, that comes with it. The machine will come with one steady rest. That's the steady rest right there. This is the back of the machine, chip conveyor. This is the tailstock of the machine. This tailstock has a very nice feature. You see this unit here, you can lock a key and that follows this unit here. I'll do a close-up so you can see where the key goes in. From here, here's the other portion. You lock those two with a key so the tailstock then can follow. Ways on the machine look very nice. We'll do a short video to actually show the machine running. We have the control up here. This machine has a Func Series O-T control. We see the hours on the machine, the running time 739 hours, 54 minutes. See a manual pulse generator here. 3-jaw chuck, it's a manual. And this is what RPM?
246 looks right here.
Goes up to, what's the maximum RPM?
Oh, it goes, I think, I don't know, but it goes probably, yeah, bye-bye, see. It goes probably 3,000 or something. But this is surface, eh? This is surface 297.
Surface.
Yeah, so, you know.
Moving the x-axis. That's the y-axis. Hit a software limit switch there.
Yeah. Is that maximum RPM? And this rotates as well, I assume, the turret?